Chinatown a while ago.
And why shouldn't you? You follow me around.
No, I saw you when I passed by the store.
Why didn't you call me? We should have come here together. You would.
We were talking with Jaco.
Mom, let's rehearse the third part. Where have you been, Valentin?
I had dropped by the convent. When I was passing by just now, I heard singing, so I came.
Are you going to get married?
Hi, Luisa. I wish that were true, but who would even like me?
Then, what brought you to the convent then?
You women are too nosy. You meddle in everything.
I wanted to seek the advice of Father and discuss with him and Gracio, who wants to get married to his cousin. They say they need to ask for a dispensation.
Is this Engracio your hacienda supervisor?
Yes,
Whom is he marrying?
Anna, his cousin.
Mal hecho. They say it's not very good.
What did Father say?
I was not able to talk to him. Aguedo, the fiscal mayor, told me that Father left for the yesterday. Something is troubling them. 3 a.m. arrived in the convent yesterday. They had a long closed door meeting. Then they left soon after.
Yes, that's a bad sign. Bad news. These friars holding secret meetings are a bad omen. I tell you, something bad is going to happen. Yes, we are doomed. When crows flock together, this spells bad things for us.
What's worse is that our priest is new.
No, Harvey.
And we don't even have any idea yet as to his
Yo!
I hear that he
Babalik na naman po si Johnny M.
But stories reach
Dito naman po tayo sa Who's That Girl?
God is his gifts. They say he would visit the houses of young behave in a unpriestly manner.
What's his name? I don't even know. Father Castro Matavichas de San Agustin. When he arrived here, there were about 20 of us young ladies that welcomed him. He was very pleasant and pleased with our coming. He has come to our house twice, and I find him nice. He gives advice well.
That's a bad sign, Elena. You take care. I think he has taken a liking to you.
You're crazy, such balloons.
We'll see. When I see a bad sign, better be on your guard. I know them all in the way.
If it would just be like our former parish priest, then there would be no problem. He was nice. He didn't visit houses much.
But they say he scored high in the convent. You truly are innocent lambs.
Liar! You know that they could cut off your tongue. I'm leaving.
Are you leaving because I'm here?
No, I'm just going home to show myself to Mom. She might be waiting for me. I'll come back.
What about you, Luisa? Mother Matibucas. Thank you on what did you
Ay, si Lord man. Ito na naman, tignan mo pa.
Wait lang, isa din ka mag-skate mo.
Dalawa kayo pa.
Probably, the only time I can get face to face
When are we getting
Oo nga. Guys, subawi mo mo.
When? You said that you'll get married.
when crowds turn white. No, we'll marry when the sun has in the west.
Is that so? Luis? Ouch, Luisa, you are so cruel.
Cruel na cruel ah.
Did I hurt you? I didn't think it was that mean.
You can be so cruel, a woman.
Huli
You
eh.
shouldn't mind. That should be
Dito ang mukha ni Nixon. Mukha ni Nixon.
For that's a sign of endearment, an expression of secret affection, a sign that the dear right is ready for the taking.
Yes, that's we may also feel the other.
But before I flower the picture, let me touch it first.
And while you are feeling it, savor it and make the process feel tangible.
Oh, how true. Mother.
Let's go. Do you still like another that fight right face?
Smile!
Oh no, Luisa, we're not going to rehearse.
How can you hear me singing with birthday crowd on ruin? Have you not heard?
What is it?
I came from the capital. There's a big riot there. The Spanish officials and the friars met the whole night and they are all up in Casa Real. Ulit? How can you even be seen when there's big trouble brewing? Have you not heard?
What is it?
I came from the capital. There's a big riot there. The Spanish officials and the friars meet the whole night and they are pulled up in Casa Real.
But what happened?
They have rounded up and thrown into prison their enemies, especially those whom they suspect as masons and concealing weapons.
I think there's trouble. They are sounding the drums at the
J-Boy, no tayo, boy.
calling on their officers.
Yes, Nene, it's truly bad news. The authorities have organized a massive multitude.
Sure, you have also kissed the hands of those friars.
Of course, I do know how to play the game. They are nervous, but the friars they are even able to laugh. 3 times I kissed the hand of our parish priest.
But what really happened?
Even now I could hardly speak from fright.
Just tell us what happened.
Come on, talk.
The revolutionaries have risen in arms and attacked Manila. They say their leader is Andres Bonifacio. They are nothing but in Tawag. Jesus, Mary, Joseph, what hope? So many people have been in danger.
Why do you say that they are crazy?
How can they even properly revolt when they don't have arms? They don't have an army. And they don't have the money to fund this uprising. That lunacy.
Arturo, just shut up. You don't know what you are saying. If you are afraid, then just keep quiet and hide under the fabric of the police.
Oh, Arturo, you lizard-hearted. Such a pity for a good-looking guy like you.
Stop being fools. You stand as brave man now. That was like a thunderstrike. Would you even know where to run? Why don't you just volunteer and risk just like what I did?
Arturo, are you without shame at all? How faint-hearted you are. You are not a Filipino. You don't love our country.
Where did you get that idea that I don't love our country? How can you fight a giant who can easily crush us with one hand? Isn't that lunacy?
Don't say something that will bring you into more trouble. Remain quiet. Hide if you fear for your life. It's an honor to die in the hands of the enemy, but it is grace in the hands of one's countrymen. If they suspect that you are a traitor.
If I were a man, I'd be the first to join Andres Bonifacio.
Good, good. We'll go with our patriotic. There is still hope for us to be all united up as one. No one can bring us down. Now, Arturo, take off your pants and go where us to.
Will come from the Lord.
There is no real freedom unless blood has been shed, and our triumph is the will of the Lord. Long live the Philippines!
Long live!
Down with the tyranny! Kick out the friars!
Kick them out!
I think I better leave. I might get into some trouble.
Go! We don't need faint-hearted people and traitors of the country. Let's see our native Warsaw.
The native war until one to three. Come. But the flag was the tyrants. Hear the cry of the enemy. They are every that's fallen. Like animals in a slaughterhouse. Wake up our country. Let's all band together. And be ready at all times to fight the enemy. Let us all fight and never fear. Until freedom here we attain. Why do we allow strangers to rule our land? They butcher us and establish our country. These tyrants, they want to enslave us. Lord, repulse them. These foreigners who want to keep us in chains. Wake up, our countrymen. Wake up. Keep your weapons at hand. Let's give obedience.